How do you work with fiscal dates in Tableau? This example, we're going to look at order date and show it as a calendar sort and show it as a fiscal sort. Let's bring order date onto rows and change it to month. I don't have any fiscal dates set up, so I just have January through December in order by month. If I wanted to sort this by, let's say, March through February, if your fiscal year starts in March, I'm going to click on Data, go to Sample Superstore, Date Properties. I'm going to change my fiscal start from January to March. I'm going to click OK. Nothing happens yet in the view. Let's click the drop down on Order Date, go to Default Properties, and into Fiscal Year Start. We're going to set it to be the data source, which is March. Now my months are ordered March through February. And that's how you work with fiscal dates in Tableau. I hope this helps.